AI tools that feel illegal to know in 2026. I just found an AI tool that did 3 hours of work in 47 seconds, and almost nobody's talking about it. Today I'm showing you 5 AI tools that feel unfair to have access to, and the last one alone could save you 10 hours a week. Let's go.
Welcome to your weekly look inside the mind of the machine. This is where the future of creation truly begins.
3 hours of manual data entry, lost in a mountain of files and endless spreadsheets, solved in seconds by intelligence.
In this race against time, precision is our ultimate weapon, revealing the future of data.
And almost nobody's talking about it.
Today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools
that feel unfair to have access to. I test AI tools every single week. So you don't have to waste your time on the bad ones. Let's look at 5 free AI tools. They're perfect for any creator. No subscriptions are required here. Let's generate some fresh assets. This setup defines the future of creation. Let's unlock true artificial intelligence. This is ChatGPT. You think you are using AI? This is what full automation really looks like.
To unlock the data, we simply feed the dense report directly into the neural network.
Data is often messy, but with modern AI, we can make sense of the chaos instantly. Watch it process hundreds of rows in seconds.
Let's extract the core insights. First, operational efficiency grows by 27%, and legacy waste is cut in half. It just did what would have taken me 20 minutes of reading in about 8 seconds. It's the most used AI tool, pioneering global connectivity and data analysis for millions of creators. But that's not even the best one. Tool number 2 is Claude. This is the one professionals and developers are quietly switching to. Watch this AI build a web page. It generates structured code line by line. The workflow is completely seamless. This is the future of development. This is illegal AI. I'm building an entire app using just prompts. Watch how the code generates automatically. This changes software development forever. Imagine building a site instantly. Just watch this advanced neural network write the code. It instantly renders a high-end animated landing page. This is the future of web design. This isn't just chatting with AI anymore.
I'm going to ask it to build a simple web page from scratch, right now, live. Look at that. It actually works.
This is AI actually doing the work, start to finish.
Tool number 3 is Nano Banana 2. Most AI image tools butcher text. Watch this one nail it on the first try.
The prompt is the new brush. Every word defines a whole new world of pixels, bridging the gap between imagination and reality.
Inside the machine, millions of variables align. From pure noise, a cinematic vision resolves.
I'm typing one prompt for a poster with actual readable text in it. Look at that text. Clean.
Perfection on the very first attempt requires absolute precision in every detail. This is the story of that breakthrough, documenting the art of the first try.
Tool number 4 is different.
This is the next frontier in generative AI. Welcome to the era of Sora 2. Every great vision begins with a single prompt. Now, we bring that vision to life.
And this is the one that's going to break your brain a little.
We are teaching machines to see, to understand the world around us. This is the dawn of true AI. Every great creation begins with a single, simple prompt. Witness the perfect fusion of data and cinematic art. This is the future of storytelling.
No camera, no editing, no actors.
Welcome to the future of content creation, where simple text instantly transforms into a polished cinematic masterpiece.
True automation connects isolated tools. It forms a single, thinking ecosystem. This is the final interface.
And finally, the one I promised you. This tool genuinely feels like cheating.
Every automation starts with a trigger. Here, AI instantly processes the submission, generating a personalized email response and delivering it in a matter of seconds.
Tool number 5 is N8N. This is how you automate everything you just saw. Watch this. I'm submitting a form right now, and I'm not touching anything else. That ran completely on its own. I didn't touch anything after I hit save. That's the part that should scare you a little.
The workflow completes with absolute precision. Every node activates exactly as designed, delivering a seamless and professional result.
Experience absolute, frictionless efficiency. Discovered through zero manual steps.
True automation isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating a system that thinks for itself, where every complex workflow executes flawlessly, leaving the creator to simply observe.
And without a single command, the network scales and evolves, mapping out its own digital destiny, leaving the human architect behind.
Intelligent tools, rewriting the world. From pure imagination to flawless execution.
ChatGPT for fast research and summaries.
Building a modern web interface used to take days. Now, with Claude, it's just a matter of seconds. The code is clean, instant, and ready to deploy. This isn't just a fruit. It's the future of nanocomputing.
Intelligence now shapes reality. Welcome to the world of Sora 2.
All 4 previous workflows now feed into one massive automation network. This is Nathan.
Coming next week. Is there anything bigger than this?
If this saved you time, subscribe. I post a video like this every week, and next week I'm covering something that honestly might be even bigger than this one.
Which one are you trying first?
Comment below